not seem like it's much of a problem to do, but I need to highlight for you something you already know that tells us that this is a significant problem for your visual system to overcome. Your retina is essentially a two-dimensional screen. I mean, it's three-dimensional in the sense that it has 3 layers of cells, but the rods and cones are just one of those layers. So all of the information about what's out there in the world comes from sense receptors that are laid out on a flat surface in 2 dimensions. That information then must be used to create this extremely vivid sense of the world that we have as being a 3-dimensional place, which of course it really is. How does our visual system do this? It does this by making use of a large number of sources of information that are available based on the information received by the rods and cones that specify that the world is 3-dimensional and help specify where objects are located in the 3 dimensions. These sources of information are called depth cues, and there are a number of ways of organizing the different depth cues going along with the way your textbook organizes them. We're going to talk about monocular depth cues and binocular depth cues. Monocular depth cues are cues to the 3-dimensionality of the world and the location of objects in the 3rd dimension that can be received by a single eye. Monocular means 1 eye, binocular, bi means 2 eye. So these are all depth cues involving information that can be received when you look out at the world with just one eye open. A number of these are the kinds of depth cues that artists use to give a sense of 3-dimensionality to their pictures.